binibigay sa lahat sa mga Daniel Vishwas, kaya ito ang mga pinagulay mo, so we is Mother Please get ready because in 15 minutes, the competition will begin. Thank you so much.
Music 2024. The awesome competition begins with candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1.
Kailan namin hindi ko lamang po ay yung mga sigaw para pasan ng isang dito sa ating itong ginagawang kailanman ay hindi ho naging pamantagan kung gaano ka mga pangit o kung ano ang maganda. Pagkot, ang tunay na timbangan ng Diyos ay kung gaano ko sila kami yung puso at kung gaano ka harapin ang panlalait ng ilang dahil bukas magalawa. Gagamitin mo itong sanda upang harapin ang mahal na ito. Pagkailangan ng spectacular people para ginagawa yan, the girl was naked in her eyes is Jane, leading man alive and I am smiling with his own stunning. The truly all the way last from Purok Sais, Ahanasi, Puramis of Pampanga. But tonight, since this is pattern, please allow me to carry the image of your one of the most sexiest and prettiest of the show. Bakit hindi mo natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at pagkiyawan si Binibining Venus Rila. Venus na ko, hindi mo mo tayo na hindi ko basta, hindi rin ako nakakatuwa ngunit sa gagawin ko. That? Oh yes, I'm not going to because black has always been discriminated by white. Because when we're the color black, the two comes in our minds slowly. Shadiness and darkness have always been remembered because people are watching this competition. Into those people who have always been discriminated as a black, and the true symbolizing of black is duty and bravery. Therefore, I'm not happy that I'm a black skin and standing for you to represent the color of black. Once again, I am your lucky candidate number 1 second para pumaligtin. Dahil sa ganitong uri, naparin pala, may teka.
And now let's meet candidate number 2.
Contestant number 2.
Sabi ng mama mo, hindi po ako maging seryoso. Papasahin ko po kayo lahat. Ako nga po pala, ang naging isang parigin. Hindi po ako si Sabi Perena, pagkos ako ay isang ibon. Pangaba ngayong gabi. Ako nga pala si Yvonne Ambilyon Kinig. 20 years old, ako makatawan ng purong 5. Kailangan niyo po ako magkiling ang pangalan ni Marian Rivera.
As our candidate number 2, now let's welcome our candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3.
My name is Miles Santos, 21. Purok 5 na nagsasabi ng kasabihan na kapag pinatukan ng bato, batuin mo nandito! Thank you!
That is our candidate number 3. Now let's welcome candidate number 4.
Contestant number 4. Ganda ng costume. Amazing. Ganda ng costume niya. Talikod. Ay. I'm sorry. Hindi ako nakatingin sa camera ko. Nakapokus ako sa contestant. I'm sorry. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Grabe, ang ganda ng costume. Ganda ng costume.
Hindi lahat ng nasa PR ay babae at lalaki. Minsan, tae. Lahat po ng bago ngayong gabi, magandang gabi po. Lahat naman po ng pangit, gabi na po. By the way, this is Aliyah Fajardo in my life, 21 years old daughter. All the way lahat from Brook 5, Barangay Kuwaya. My tonight pageant, please do allow me to carry the image. But hindi niyo po sabay-sabay kapalakpakan at hiyawan. Ang simpleng kagandahan ng meaning, Chris Bernal. Hindi ni Chris Bernal ang iwan ng kasabihan. Kung ang mga lalaki ay tinaguriang luga, kami naman po mga bakla tinaguriang sa champurado. Kayo naman po mga tomboy ay Mami Minger, Pinay!
That is our candidate number 4. Now let's welcome candidate number 5.
Contestant number 5.
Happy Fiesta, Barangay Kuwaya! Ako po umpisahan ang aking magpapakilala. Maaari mo ba ako makahingi ng hiyawan para sa mga kalalakihan? This woman standing in front of you is a woman who has a passion and vision. A woman who stands for the right for LGBTQ++ community. I am 16 years old, stunner. Yes, I am Journey of Peace Estagera, all the way from the Bronx, Inaaglabanan Street. At bakit hindi niyo mo hayaan mapakilala sa pangalan ni Pinipili, Miss Hannah Arnold. Miss Hannah Arnold na nagsasabing, mahalin mo na. This costume was inspired of Galesa Festival. And this costume was made by one and only Kevin Kayanan. Once again, this is our lucky number 5, Journey of Estagera, nagsasabing, kung ako ay inyong tatayain, huwag nyo na akong palakin. Dahil nakakulap ng babala, nasa likod, joke lang ako at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And now let's welcome candidate number 6.
Contestant number 6.
Mayang abegi kay kayungan at maayong gabi sa inyong tunan. My name is Scarlett Pulantan, 17, Robin Loud, representing Villa Zarina. Nagpilitan ako sa katanang, ang lahat ng nagmamataas ay ibinababas at lahat ng nasbaba ay itinataas.
That is our candidate number 6. And now let's welcome candidate number 7.
Contestant number 6. Ay, 7. Contestant number 7.
With the beauty and grace alone, unbelievable results. With a glamorous and spectacular effort, France, ladies and gentlemen. Standing here for you is a fresh individual, innocent 19 years old Canada, all the way from Borong, Barangay Bayan. My name is Jay Silva, na nag-iwan sa inyo ng kanilang. Ang pelas ng silangan ay matatagpuan sa isang pamilihan. Pues ngayong gabi, ang pelas ng kagandahan ay nasa inyo ng harapan. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, again, this is your candidate number 8. Mark my number, because tonight, as I return, I will give you a night to remember.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. And let's welcome candidate number 8.
Contestant number 8.
Pwede ba ako mag-limos ng palakpakan dyan?
Ang haba ng mic.
Ngayong kapeli kaya kayong on, ang hindi pumalakpak, mawawala ng mama. My name is Villa Fuentes. I am your candidate number 8 at naniniwala sa isang kasabihan, hindi lahat ng may magandang buka ay babae. Ay, ang dami nyo pala, bore.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. And now let's welcome candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9.
Tayo naman po, galing na akong magpakilala. Kung wala akong hanap na siya. At tayo naman po, kung galing na akong magpakilala. Kung wala masigabong hanap na siya. And I always keep on saying that we should be happy for what we have while working for what you need. Because a very successful and a very happy life begins with God and ends just only for God. Ang glorious every Twitch and everyone, or should I say, Mayo, Mayo Taya, Madrasa
Arena ni Client, Provincial and Pampano. Starting its reviews a 20-year-old stunner, all the way from the City of Angels, the culinary and the city capital of the Philippines, 203, Progress, Barangay Client, Angeles City, Pampano. My name is Lindsay Lopez, who believes that the best thing to be accepted is to be yourself. Again, this is Lindsay Lopez, standing by the name of one of the most prettiest faces GMA has ever produced. Ako nga po ang nagsabi kay Boyen na hindi na po ako bobo bilang si Alvin sa special action. Nagsabi ko bilang si Joa sa one of the day. At ako din po ang nakakawagi bilang Pinoy All-Star Kids noong 2008. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay palang kakain at pagyawan ang simpleng kagandahan na binibini? Rita Daniela. Rita Daniela ng Ipon ng mga kapito. Pag nakikilala po kayo ng saging na color green, malamang kilo pa po. Pag naman daw po nakikita kayo ng saging na color yellow, aba, natural, hinog na po yun. Pero pag nakikita po kayo ng saging na color brown, sige, isubo mo. Tikman mo dahil turon po yun. Mapulayin ko. Once again, I am your lucky candidate number 9, saying, et ako pwede pa itong mas lalo et ako pwede pa isang boot. Ngunit ito sinabi ng kapampangan ko at tagapampanga ako. Hindi naman. No, pa rin naman. Tapat lang yung ako. Patunayan ko kaya kayo. Sulap yung sulap. Inlabo kapampangan. Then show it. Ang namatay sila ng singlet. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, the costume that I learned at 49 is actually inspired by Philippine Christmas Pearl. Please enjoy the show. This is for you all. Thank you and good evening.
Casual wear competition.
The National Year Competition begins when candidate number 1. Now let's on to candidate number 2.
Yeah,
That was included in number 6. Now it's Number one. top to top 5. And the criteria for judging: intelligence 60%, beauty and poise 40%, intellectual femininity and beauty. Let's welcome back now. On our dance.
To be tall, the streams I'm meant to be called, and things can never be hard.
Candidate number 1 is a 22 years old. She loves playing volleyball, modeling, and playing games. Their vital statistics of 35, 26, 35. All the way to the rock science. Shane, Noel Steve, Oceanary, Radio Stop.
We are the champions. We are
organizer. Thank you so much. And in this function, we will be awarding our first time teacher. Presenters, please. Our Miss Photogenic Cultural Fair belongs to if we request the presenters to please be on stage. And she is candidate number 4. Up next, Miss Photographer's Choice Award. Photographer's Choice Award goes to candidate number 5. Up next, Miss Telegenic. Our Miss Telegenic belongs to candidate number 5. Up next, our SK Choice Award. And it will be awarded by our presenters, our SK counselors, by the Gawals. SK Choice Award goes to candidate number 9. Next on our list will be Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic goes to candidate number 3. Next is Designer's Choice Award. Designer's Choice Award goes to candidate number 5. Up next, the most awaited special award, the Miss Feminine Look. Sino nga ba ang mukhang babae? Miss Feminine Look belongs to candidate number 8. Next is the Best in Production number. Best in Production number goes to candidate number 1. Next is our Organizer's Choice Award. Organizer's Choice Award goes to candidate number 7. Next on our list is the Best in Crown. Best in Crown goes to candidate number 1. Up next, our Miss Website. Ladies, show your smiles to our audience. And you are the Miss Website Smile, candidate number 9. Next award is Photographer's Choice Award. Photographer's Choice Award goes to candidate number 5. Up next, the Miss Body Beautiful. Sino magandang kawan sa kanila? You are the Miss Body Beautiful, candidate number 5.
Nagagot na po si number 5. Pang-anim na ata niya yan, pang-anim. Na award.
Miss Professionalism goes to candidate number 6.
Number 6. Professional number 6.
Up geniality or arrogance. She is candidate number 2.
Parehas. Pare-parehas naman sila may award. Okay na yan. Ano po ni number 2?
Now our next
Congeniality.
award will be the Miss Punctual. She is candidate number 1.
Oh. Tatlo si number 1.
Up next, Pastor Development Choice Award.
Labog
She will be
malikot.
receiving a free entrance fee.
Kung palikot kayo ng camera,
Pastor Development Choice Award goes to candidate number 5. Completing our special awards and social media choice award. And it goes to candidate number 6. And now, after the special awards, we will be awarding right here, our minor awards. Ito na po ang pinaglabanan nila ngayong gabi. And we will be announcing after the minor awards, our top 5 finalists. Ladies, good luck. This is the best in costume. Best in costume belongs to candidate number 9. That's the best in casual wear. Best in casual wear goes to candidate number 9. And now we will be awarding the best in talent. Best in talent goes to candidate number 9. Up next, the best in summer wear goes to candidate number 9.
Dapat pinatanggal pa. Dapat hindi na. Greg. Okay. Greg, award.
And now we will be awarding the best in evening gown. The best in evening gown goes to candidate number 7.
Picture award.
Ladies, congratulations. Before we proceed to the announcement of top 5 finalists, we would like to give the certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to our candidates in recognition of her participation in Miss Gay Queen Kauai 2024, signed by Honorable Aaron Kibolan and our head organizer, Madam Kuya Joy Maglala. May we have our presenters? Thank you so much to our dear SKs.
Philippines.
Thank you. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. After 2 months of preparation, with an endless and tireless rehearsals for this competition, we are now about to cut our candidates from 9. We will be trimming them down to top 5. Before we announce this, I would like to ask our dear audience, organizers, and barangay councils, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kandidat. You know what, joining in a certain pageant is not rehearsals, kaya deserve po nila ang inyong mas gabong palakpakan at iyawan. But of course, candidates, there is always another chance. If you or if happen, it may sound cliche, but the decision of the judges is final, irrevocable, and definitely unobtainable. Barangay Kawayan, here is your final 5. Please step forward. Candidate number 9. You are still in the running. Candidate number. Candidate number 7. Smile because you are in. Candidate number. Candidate number 5. Three ladies, but 2 more to go. Join down and you're part of the top 5. Candidate number. Candidate number 4. Completing our top 5. The last spot belongs to candidate number. Candidate number 1. To our non-winning candidates, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please. Thank you and congratulations. You're all beautiful in your own ways. Indeed, I can say feeling when you join sa mismong barangay mo. How does it feel?
Honestly speaking, there is a history behind why I joined again on my competition on this
Magbalik ka kay
competition,
yung camera.
barangay. And everyone knows, guys, the history that I have here. But I'm very happy now that I'm one of your delegates and I was able to overcome and conquer the fear that I had before and I'm standing right in front of you, raising the rainbow community.
That is not a question, okay? Bibi kalma. At least pick your question. I will be repeating the question twice, and you can answer it to your most comfortable dialect or language you can. The question is, in a world where equality is still a work in progress, how do you envision a future where everyone, regardless of sexual orientation or gender identity, can thrive? In a world where equality is still a work in progress, how do you envision a future where everyone, regardless of sexual orientation or gender identity, can thrive?
Thank you so much. If I were going to passion world, then definitely, ladies and gentlemen, that is the world that is no sadness, that is no differences, embracing our flaws, and at the same time, accepting everyone else. We really cannot deny the fact that in our year today, it is just only a minimal acceptance that the society is actually providing to the LGBTQIA plus community. We are just only being tolerated. We are not being fully accepted by other people, and that's okay. But if I'm going to invent a world then definitely that is something that I really would like to be part of the society itself, which is the differences will setting aside, and at the same time, we are embracing our gender preference. As I mentioned earlier, it is just only a minimum. We are just only being tolerated. We're not being fully accepted. But at the end of the day, I'm still very blessed and happy. Kahit hindi niyo po kami tanggapin, meron lang po akong sasabihin sa inyo, huwag niyo naman po kami sasaktan. Na kahit ano pa pong kasarian namin, huwag niyo pong titignan ang bagay sa gitna ng aming pamilya. Kahit yun na lang po, huwag niyo lang po kami sasaktan. Even though that you're not going to fully accept us, then definitely we're still standing and keep moving forward in order for us to contribute with a community. Good evening and magandang salamat.
Thank you. Now let's move forward to candidate number 7. Kinakabahan ka ba? Sakto lang. So please, pick your question. Here's your question. If you could choreograph a dance routine to express the struggles and triumphs of the LGBTQ plus community, what moves would you incorporate to tell the powerful story? If you could choreograph a dance routine to express the struggles and triumphs of the LGBTQ plus community, what moves would you incorporate to tell the powerful story?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that dance is a way for a person to express themselves. Without using their voice. If I give you a chance to choreo a dance routines, well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, I think it would be the representation of fighting and acceptance, which can be shown as strong movements and expressive faces. And it will show to be strong for all the LGBT community who are fighting for their rights and equality. And second, is expression their identity, which can be shown a freedom to be whatever you want to be in your life, regardless of your gender identity or sexual orientation. And lastly, the triumph, or should I say, a victory, which can be shown the gestures of joy and raising their hands to show the victory. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Now let's move forward to candidate number 5. Kumusta ka, candidate number 5? That's normal. All you need to do is to compose yourself. And here is your question. If you could rewrite the narrative of beauty standards, what qualities would you emphasize as truly beautiful? If you could rewrite the narrative of beauty standards, what qualities would you emphasize as truly beautiful?
If I could rewrite the narrative of beauty standards, what qualities would I emphasize? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to emphasize like kindness, empathy, and compassion. As truly beautiful, we should focus from physical appearance to inner qualities. That's the main person, a truly beautiful. And I
Sure, that's nice. Indeed, and now let's move forward. Candidate number 4, ready ka na ba? Please do the question. I'll be reading the question twice. Good luck. If prayer is believed to hold such power, why do some prayers seemingly go unanswered? If prayer is believed to hold such power, why do some prayers seemingly go unanswered?
if we have that idea that every prayer will be answered, then no one will work for your dreams and goals. It is important for us to trust the timing of our Almighty God. That way, it will change patience. While working for that, you are definitely working your dreams. And with that being said, I am here patiently waiting. And now, it is coming true. Thank you, Grigan.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Now let's walk on ready, so please take the question. So your question is, as an advocate for inclusivity, how do you ensure that every voice within the LGBTQ community is heard and respected. As an advocate for inclusivity, how do you ensure that every voice within the LGBTQ plus community is heard and respected?
Okay. The question that was given to you is an advocate for inclusivity. How do you ensure that every voice within the LGBTQ community is heard and respected? For me, I'm standing here in front of you to be respected and show to everyone that every part of the LGBT community is what is to be respected. Dahil naniniwala ho ako na ang respeto, hindi ho niya hinihingi. Hindi rin ho niya nililibos. Husay ang binibigay sa taong dapat na respeto. Dahil lagi mo tatakaan sa mga baklang natin ito pagka ng LGBTQ community. Gawa tayo ng gawa, tayo ng takin, hindi tayo nirespeto ng kapwa-tao. Pero ikaw ba bakla, nakagawa ka ng tama para respetuhin ka, yung tinatawag mong kapwa. And always been remember that LGBTQA plus community is showing happiness. And all I will always want is to be respected and loved. Thank you so much.
Very spontaneous. And that concludes the and of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our speech designer, Mama Tracy. One can say, maraming example for this beautiful design. Many of their songs in my hand containing the names and the numbers of our winners. Ladies, congratulations and good luck. Our fourth runner-up. Winner is an average score of 91.50. She is candidate number 5. To be awarded the our state and one of our judge. Up next, our third runner-up. She garnered an average score of 92.15. She is candidate number 7. Before we announce our second runner-up, I would like to thank our official tabulator, Sir Maraming salamat po for the fast computation of our scores with our candidate. Let's move forward. Our second runner-up, she garnered an average score of 92.75. She is candidate number 4.
Ang natitira na lang po ay si candidate number 1 at candidate number 9. Good luck kay candidate number 1 at kay candidate number 9.
Before I announce our winners, I would like to mention that our first runner-up garnered an average score of 93%, and our title holder or graduator garnered an average score of 95.25. The crown is in between of candidate number 1 and candidate number 9. Duluhan ang laban. Barangay Kawayan, ang pamangkin kong numero ay siya po ang ating panalo for Miss Gay Queen Kawayan 2024 grand winner. At ang hindi ko naman po babagatin ng numero ay siya po ang ating first runner-up. Ladies, good luck. Miss Gay Queen Kawayan 2024 Meanwhile, 2024, tomorrow's same place.
Bilitin.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Bilitin pa eh.
your famous game win for one, 2024.
Bilitin eh.
Candidate number 9.
Oh!
Candidate number 1. Indeed, a celebration of diversity, camaraderie, and equality. Yes, as your host, my name is Mr. Thatcher. Congratulations, God bless, and happy fiesta.
Congrats! Candidate number 9.
I just want to thank IFX Styling, stage design, my